Prime Seedco is Seedco's vegetable seed company. We're currently in 5 countries of the 17 that Seedco is in, and 6 of the 17 countries include Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi, Tanzania, Kenya, and Nigeria. In Nigeria, we're partnered with Saro, and we're currently busy with cereal production, which is our biggest mandate, and we've been here for the last 2 to 3 years. The vegetable seed business is still to kick off, but we see great potential given the invent of tomato paste, and obviously the Dangote's factory and Joss tomato. What I do and what Prime Seedco basically does before setting up the vegetable seed business in any company is introduce a person like myself who's product development, have an understanding of what the market requires, so have a bucket list of what the customers need in a particular market. For instance, in Nigeria, what tomatoes do people like? Do they like round tomatoes? Do they like long tomatoes, elongated, plum, pear-shaped? What size do they prefer? 120 grams, 140 grams? What size cabbage do people want? Does size matter? Is shelf life what's critical? How many leaves should the cabbage have? Do they transit cabbages from farm to final market? Do they prefer eggplants at all? What else do they like? What are the top 10 vegetables that the Nigerian market likes? Does it matter if you're in the north or in the south? Does taste differ? Does preference change? Once we have a collection of the vegetables or preferences and taste of people in the market, we then look throughout the world from our breeding sites in the United States, California, in France, and in Zimbabwe, and try and come up with a catalogue of what vegetables we can trial there. Once we have a selection of the vegetables we do, I then set up a team of PD locally in Nigeria, go on to separate farms. Often it's best to have a trial site because at this stage you don't exactly know whether the variety you're trialing is going to work. Have a trial site, replicate varieties 3 times, have a couple of seasons, grow the variety and see how it performs. Once the fruit's ready, get the customers, get the market to have a look and see how the variety is growing, what the final product is. Does it suit what you initially started off in your bucket list? If it goes, you get demos out, you show people, you advertise the product. Depending on the country regulations, you would also possibly be required to have trials run up in a government setup or in a government institution to ensure that there is a local authority to confirm and affirm independently that the variety does in fact work. The tomatoes, we have peppers, the bell peppers, the green peppers, the chili peppers. We have butternut, we have courgettes, which are the baby marrows. We have watermelons, we have cucumbers, we have fine beans, we have baby corn, we have sweet corn, we have maize, we have okra, eggplant, carrots. We would also have cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. We provide seed solutions to farmers. So by seed solutions, not only the seed do we sell, but we also would sell the technical expertise. We would do follow-ups to farmers to ensure that the variety is grown and set up correctly. So the farmer, we're joined at the hip, the seed company and the farmer. If you are a success this season, you're likely to double your plantings the next season. So we try and ensure that all seed sold is a success to ensure continuity.